Senega, a remedy often considered for elderly patients with chest complaints, especially chronic bronchitis. It is very useful when there is localized sore spots left in the chest after inflammation and causes sore bluish sensation of the chest wall due to persistent coughing, rattling in the chest due to accumulation of profuse mucus, which is difficult to expectorate. A very characteristic symptom of this remedy is cough always ends with a sneeze. And remember the aggravation which is worse from rest.